Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reinvest dividends on Etrade. Now, Etrade actually has this automatic feature where they do go to enroll you for dividend reinvesting. So for example, this one right here, they basically reinvest for you, right? Using your shares based on the dividends. They reinvest. What you can do, you can also enable for specific shares. The way you do this, you go to dividend reinvesting, they're the top menu, and you'll see all the symbols. So these ones, the enrollment is in progress. What you can do is select specific ones you want to enroll in, right? So you choose the account and then choose the different tickers you want to enroll. So you can select more right here. And once you're happy with it, you've chosen them, hit submit, and you will be enrolled. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.